Okay folks, John with Baker Boy here. Have another really unique product that I wanted to share with you guys, the Baker Boy Brown and Serve Garlic Toast. I thought we would dress it up a little bit and make kind of a marinara cheese bread with it. Take your 1 ounce of marinara sauce, sprinkle that on the top of the bread. And these are frozen, by the way. You can pan them up frozen and go ahead and prepare these. If you need to, you could put them in the cooler and have them all ready to go. So when you're ready to bake them and serve them hot, you're all ready to go. Check that out. Take your 4 cheese blend cheese, spread that out on the top. Okay folks, we just got the bread pulled out of the oven. The cheese is melted, the marinara is all heated up and ready to be eaten. Any questions, go ahead and contact us at bakerboy.com.